Good day, viewers. My name is Yusuf Abdul Gafar, and welcome to Sheet 2 Mathematics class. So today we are going to be talking about simple interest. So as you can see, there's a question on the board stating that find the simple interest on 2,000 naira at 5% per annum and 5% per annum for 3 years. Also find the amount. So the formula for finding simple interest is interest equal to PRT over 100. So this P here stands for principal, and this R stands for rate, this T stands for time. So according to the question, our principal is 2,000 naira. So you write down the 2,000 naira. So according to the question again, our rate is 5%. So you write down the 5. According to the question again, our time is 3 years. So multiply by 3 over 100. So this 0, we cancel this 0. This 0, we cancel this 0. So to make it more easier, we say this 5 multiplied by this 3. So we have the answer to be 20 multiplied by 15 over 1, because 5 multiplied by 3 will give you 15. So 20 multiplied by 15, we have it to be 20, 15, and don't forget to put your multiplication sign, which is like this, over. Then you answer 5 multiplied by 0, we have it to be 0. Then 5 multiplied by 2, we have it to be 10. So 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, and 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So after multiplying 15 and 20, we still need to add this one. So you put your addition sign. So 0 plus nothing is also 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So 1 plus 2, we have it to be 300. So 20 multiplied by 15 is 300. So this 20 multiplied by 15, which is the simple interest which we have been looking for since, is equal to 300 naira. So, and the question also said find the amount. So the formula for finding the amount is A equal to P plus I. So this A stands for amount, and this P stands for principal, this I stands for interest. So we are looking for the amount, so we bring out the A equal to P, which is the principal, is 2,000 naira. So you write the 2,000 naira, and this addition sign here, you bring it down. So our interest is 300. So you write down the 300. So the amount which you are looking for is equal to 2,000 naira plus 300 naira. I have the answer to be 2,300 naira. So we'll be stopping here today. Kindly if you have not subscribed on this channel, kindly do that, and don't forget to click on the notification button so that if we upload another video, you will be notified. Thank you.